Hi, I'm Leslie Slay, and welcome to 2 Minutes-ish of Medicare. One of my many favorite movies, Jerry McGuire, has a line from the film which has become infamous: "Show me the money." Yes, money's important, and it's important to know how people you work with get paid and how much. And oh, by the way, it's okay to ask. As an insurance professional for over 25 years, transparency with my customers has always been important. I've never had one instance where I felt that I could not disclose what I was earning. I always felt that given the time spent, the level of attention and support, the additional resources, and more importantly, the outcomes, that frankly, I earned every penny. So here's the deal with Medicare. When you work with a broker or agent and they write a policy for you, they get paid a commission or a flat dollar amount or percentage of the premium based on the type of policy that it is and the state in which the policy is sold. It's not exactly equal across the country. The commissions for a Medicare Advantage plan for 2023 are $601 for the first year and $287 each following year. The Centers for Medicaid and Medicare, CMS, actually set those amounts. And unless you write business in California, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, or DC, then it's different. Medicare supplement plans are not based on a flat dollar compensation, but a percentage of premium. Typically, that is 20% for the first year, and then 50% of that 20% ongoing, with the average first year being $352 and following years being $166. Now, you might think that that's a lot of money, and on the surface, that might appear to be the case. However, let me shed some light on this. The average amount of time spent with a Medicare customer pre-sale, pre-policy placement, is between 5 and 8 hours. The average amount of time spent with a Medicare customer's post-sale is 6 hours. The average amount of time spent on follow-up with a client during the policy year is 2 hours, with the average amount of time helping clients with problems and questions during that year being 3 hours. The average amount of time at renewal, making sure that the policy is still a good fit, is another 3 hours. So if you're working with a broker that is really working for you, that person's going to spend between 19 and 25 hours in front of you and behind the scenes to make sure that policy is working just the way it should be. So when you take those hours and divide that by the annual compensation first year, it's $24.04 an hour, not much higher than minimum wage. Then in ongoing years, that hourly rate gets really low. So you might ask, well, why do we do this? Because we love it. Because many people in this field are vested in the success of their clients managing their healthcare and having the right insurance policy to help them do just that. Now, if your current agent or broker is not willing to discuss how much they make or get paid on your behalf, then you may want to choose another person to work with. Or if you never see or hear from your broker after they write a policy for you, again, you may want to consider another advisor. Call us if you have any questions. We're happy to help. Just Medicare Advisors. Medicare, it's all we do.